In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Pepperstone Trader. Start by logging into your Pepperstone Secure Client area and opening your account dashboard. Once you are on the dashboard, look for the Platforms section. Select cTrader to continue. If Trader is not yet installed on your device, download it and complete the installation. If you prefer not to install software, you can open the web version instead. After the platform opens, sign in using your Pepperstone Trader account credentials. Once you are logged in, you will arrive at the main trading interface. Begin by opening the Watch Lists panel. This is where you can view the available financial instruments. Browse through the list and select the instrument that you want to trade. Click on the instrument to open its chart. This will let you view price movement in detail. From here, you can explore the charting tools and indicators available in Trader. These tools can help you analyze market activity and prepare your trade setup. When you are ready to place a trade, click New Order. You can also use the buy or sell buttons directly from the platform if that is more convenient. This will open the order window where you can enter the details of your trade. In the order window, set the order size based on the amount you want to trade. Then choose the order type that fits your strategy. If needed, you can also add a stop loss and take profit level. These are optional, but they can help you manage risk and define your exit targets in advance. Before you send the order, take a moment to review all the trade details carefully. Make sure the instrument, size, order type, and any risk management settings are correct. Once everything looks right, submit the trade. After the order is placed, go to the Trade section to keep track of your activity. Here you can monitor your open positions, check pending orders, and review your account information. This area helps you stay updated on your trades and manage them as market conditions change. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.